Hey guys, this is the second week of February. Wanted to give you a quick lawn update. Wasn't really planning on filming today, but I wanted to show y'all what showed up. So check this out. So we have a large bag of soil 3 mix. This is a 70-30 blend of sand and compost. This is perfect for leveling. I want to show y'all what I've been up to. So right over here, we got the scalped grass. It's a little early. You got about 3 more weeks really to get prepared. But if you look down here, you can notice, you can kind of see that green starting to pop out. Your yard may take probably about 3 more weeks to see that start popping out. Just be prepared. Don't get a jump start this coming weekend. We're in the false springtime. In the next 2 or 3 weeks is when it's going to warm up. We always are going to get a cold spell at the end of February, beginning of March. So it's almost go time. You're going to be ready to, need to be ready to scalp. You need to be ready to get your pre-emergents out at the end of February, 1st of March. The soil temperature is going to start warming up quick with these days in the 80s. Thanks. Bye.